Then lightning's bark splits wide, the dark sky drums echo loud. Limbs crack and break as old Zeus rakes cold moisture from a cloud. That wrath unfurled defines your world. Through it all you doze, while embers hiss at Aqua's kiss, all sounds a cowboy knows. You'll rise at dawn. Be moving on, you see winter rides the air. You'll pack up camp, roll bedroll damp at home. Ain't anywhere. You'll contemplate the whims of fate. It's been your map for years, and they've become your wife. No, your whole life. The sounds a cowboy hears.